You think, Chop? Kind of cool, huh? No wonder it hasn't fallen down. This thing is solid. Another little wall. So this part of the footpath has a lot of waterfalls on it, which is kind of pretty. Let's have a look over here. There she is. Wow. Yeah, there's definitely a waterfall. Oh, we found some more buildings. This is the main reason we did the Watkin trail, the Watkin path. There's so many old buildings we absolutely love to see. So cool, this building. Built right next to the waterfall. Just past that, and around the corner, the face of this monstrosity.
Food at that house.
Let's have food at that house. This will be our first little stop. Another gorgeous example of what I could only imagine was a miner's house of some sort. Fireplace in the back there.